The purpose of this video is to show you how your students can start or begin their CRP essay answer. So I'm on the student portal, and as we can see here, I have a current assignment, and this is my CRP. So if I open it up, as you notice, it will automatically open into a full screen. If that is something that you or your student would not like, you can just exit out of that to make it a normal screen. Here's going to be all of my documents that I've been reading and I've been annotating, and I can make notes here. Our notes would be saved here. Like if we said, this is a great quote, and then I save that, it'll be here on my saved ones. So if I'm writing my essay, which would be in this box here, and it normally looks like this, I can click essay, and here's my prompt. This box is quite small, so we've made it expandable, and that just means the preview of the documents would go away, but the thumbnails remain. If I'm looking for my notes that I took earlier while I was annotating my documents, I can go to where it said notes, and it'll take me directly to where I added that note if I wanted to use it for my essay. Now that I've opened up and expanded my essay box, or if I'd like to keep it smaller, that's fine too, my prompt will be here, and I will just click and begin to write my essay here. Once I feel as though I've finished my essay, or we're in the final stages of publishing an essay, we can submit the essay. That means that the teacher will be able to see it on their side once it's been submitted.